Thanks for joining us. Let's get into this. Why your mornings feel chaotic with a toddler and how you are going to fix it. If your mornings feel chaotic with a toddler, and no matter how hard you try, you still end up running late and stressed, this might be exactly what's going on. It's not that you're unorganized or not trying hard enough. It's that everything is happening at the same time. You're getting yourself ready, managing your toddler, making breakfast, and trying to stay on schedule, all at once. And when your morning starts like that, even small things feel overwhelming. One delay turns into five. Your toddler needs something, something gets spilled, and suddenly you're rushing and already behind. If this is something you struggle with, I actually made a 7-day calm morning reset for busy moms. It walks you through exactly what to do step by step. You can grab it in the link below. Back to the program. And it's exhausting because it feels like no matter what you do, your mornings just never go the way you planned. What actually helps isn't doing more or trying harder. It's having a simple routine you can follow, even when things don't go perfectly. Things like setting out clothes the night before, prepping what you can ahead of time, and having a simple plan so you're not trying to figure everything out at the moment. If this sounds like your mornings, I created a 7-day calm morning reset for busy moms. It gives you a simple step-by-step routine so your mornings feel calmer and more manageable. You can grab it in the link below and start creating mornings that actually feel peaceful and doable.